Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Epic Games Launcher on your PC. So to those who don't know that Epic Games Launcher is a games marketplace where you can buy and sell games and play them. So first all you need to do is go to your browser and then here you need to search for Epic Games Launcher. And then you need to click on the top link and this will open up the Epic Games Launcher website, and here you need to click on Epic Games Launcher download. This will start downloading Epic Games Launcher. So I will meet you after it has been downloaded. So after you have downloaded Epic Games Launcher, you will see it in your file explorer. You need to double click on it and this will start installing Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Here you need to click on install, click on yes, and there you go, you have started to install Epic Games Launcher. I will meet you after it has been installed. So here you can see that my Epic Games Launcher has been installed. If you want to launch it, you need to double click on it and there you go, you have successfully installed Epic Games Launcher on your PC. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next tutorial.